In this video, I will show you how you can hide apps on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just set a lock screen passcode on your iPad. To do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. Now over here, you will find the option for Turn on Passcode. Now just tap on Turn on Passcode and create a passcode for the lock screen of your iPad. Now if you have already set a lock screen passcode on your iPad, you can skip this step. But since we have not set one yet, so I'll create a passcode for the lock screen. Now just select Use Anyway. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now as you can see, we have successfully set a lock screen passcode on our iPad. After you've done that, now just select the app which you want to hide. For example, I will hide this app. Now to hide the selected app, just tap and hold on the app icon. And over here, you will find the option for Require Passcode. Now just tap on Require Passcode, and on this menu, just select Hide and Require Passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. And after you do that, then just tap on Hide App. And after you do that, you will hide the selected app from your iPad. Just like that. Now to find the hidden apps on your iPad, just go to the App Library section, and over here you will find a folder called Hidden. And just tap on the hidden folder, then enter your lock screen PIN. And after you do that, you will find all the apps which are hidden on your iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.